Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Embarking on the journey of room decor is an exciting endeavor, offering a canvas for personal expression and creativity within the home. The quest for the best room decor ideas transcends mere aesthetics, intertwining functionality, comfort, and individual style to craft a space that is not only visually appealing but also a reflection of the dweller's personality. At the heart of compelling room decor is a thoughtful color palette. The choice of colors sets the tone for the entire space, creating a mood that resonates with the inhabitants' preferences. Whether it's the serene allure of pastels, the timeless elegance of neutrals, or the bold statement of vibrant hues, the colors chosen infuse the room with a distinct personality. Furniture becomes the foundation of room decor, marrying form and function. The selection of pieces should harmonize with the overall design theme while meeting the practical needs of the space. From statement furniture that becomes a focal point to versatile, multifunctional pieces that optimize limited space, every choice contributes to the room's functionality and aesthetic appeal. Textiles play a pivotal role in softening the ambience and adding layers of comfort to room decor. Luxurious throws, plush cushions, and elegant drapery create a tactile richness that transforms a space into a haven of coziness. The careful selection of fabrics, from natural linens to sumptuous velvets, adds a sensory dimension to the room. Lighting design is a nuanced aspect of room decor, balancing functionality with ambience. A well-curated combination of overhead lighting, task lighting, and ambient lighting sources contributes to the overall illumination and mood. Statement light fixtures, whether a contemporary pendant or a classic chandelier, become artistic elements that elevate the room's aesthetic. Wall decor serves as a visual narrative, offering an opportunity to showcase personal style and interests. From curated galleries of artwork to statement wall murals or a carefully chosen accent wall, the walls become a dynamic backdrop that captures the essence of the room's design. Mirrors, strategically placed, enhance natural light and create a sense of spaciousness. Accessorizing is the finishing touch in room decor, allowing for the infusion of personality and character. Thoughtfully chosen decor items, such as vases, sculptures, or eclectic collections, contribute to a layered and curated aesthetic. The artful arrangement of accessories reflects a keen eye for detail and adds a sense of completion to the overall design. Ultimately, the best room decor ideas are those that resonate with the individual inhabiting the space.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!